Good morning, guys. Welcome back to our channel. The sun is out for us today. It is a beautiful day here in the Laurel Highlands. You can't beat it when you first come out in the morning. The sun is up. It feels so good on your skin. Got a little bit of a breeze going down today. Do you hear the birds? Do you hear all the birds? Oh, I hear them. This is one of my favorite things to do in the morning is just come outside, just stand out here. And we have our fur babies out here somewhere. They're out here somewhere. Let me see if I can find them. So this is Stanley Cat. Stanley Cat was named after a trip to Lowe's, the hardware store. And our son named him Stanley. So I'd like to think he's after the tools. Oh, here's Oreo. This is Oreo. Oreo used to be Stanley's Oreo used to be Stanley's pet, and now Stanley has a new pet, Tiki. Let's see, is he gonna mess with Oreo? It first starts off as like lovin's, and then before you know it, it's like, I'm going to marinate you like a chipmunk. Because Stanley is a killer, but they get along pretty well. Until, watch what happens here. Stanley tries to eat the dog. Stanley? That's your sister. Why would you do that? Welcome to my morning. There's always one that runs away. Tiki! Don't go out the road, Tiki! She's behind that tree right there. Do you see her? Yeah, there's a big field here. And she likes to go and run. And run and run and run and run and run. Tiki! Oh, okay, it's one of those mornings. We go track down the dog again. And it's one of those things that the closer you get to her, the further and the faster she runs. Tell me how that works, please. And while Matt is off rescuing Tiki, running away, I gotta show you. These are our new zero gravity chairs that I'm absolutely in love with. Got one for me and Matt. Matt, how was your run this morning?
Thanks.
And so, yeah, that's okay. You can sit in the chairs later with me, all right? So love these. You sit back. They seriously, like, do you see what happens here? With your weight, you push back, and they, like, lift off the ground, and so you're in the most, like, wonderful position. So it's really nice. Right now in the morning, it's really hot, but the tree above us gives beautiful shade in the evenings, and so when I come home from work, I love to sit here, just read a book. Huh, Stanley? Yes, kitty, 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 kitty. I see your belly fur. I see your belly fur all hanging out, Stanley Cat. This is Tiki Bell. Tiki Bell. Look at her. See the attitude? Listen, where you been, little miss? What? What? Are you talking to me? Come here. Come here. I want to talk to you. Tiki. Tiki. Who needs a treat? Do you need a treat? Are you telling me you need a treat? Were you good or did you run away? Miss. Attitude. Right here. Cute, but boy does she pack a punch. All right, let's go get some treats. I've got some maple sausage cooking, and maybe if you're lucky, I'll share. All right, let's go. So I've been doing a little painting in the evenings. Go figure, me doing painting when I come back home in the evenings. So this is one I finished last night. I've just been enjoying coming home and maybe staying up a little bit too late. But this one I called And She Let Go and She Lived. This one here I just finished up as well. And last but not least, Chin Up, Buttercup, Fix Your Crown. All right, so there you go.
So I'm at the shop, and yes, while I'm practicing my faces of my whimsical girls, my shabby girls on canvas at night, one thing that I do know how to do really, really well is paint furniture, right? So it's like anything. These days I'm having fun in my off time practicing my painting and trying different mixed media techniques. But when it comes to painting furniture, just like any of you guys out there, we all start somewhere, but then we find our style and we just keep growing from there. So shabby style has always been my style, you guys know, from the very beginnings. And so this is what I love to do daily, is to paint gorgeous furniture. So got this hutch. Yesterday we painted it live on Facebook. Make sure you follow us over there at Junk Monkey Paint Company. But painted it in our black velvet for an underlay, and then we used our new color called Crazy Eyes, which is an orangey red kind of color. and blended them together, distressed it. Now I have to do this morning, what I have to do this morning is actually go ahead and wax it and seal it and finish it off. So this piece will actually be here as part of my shop. I'm going to keep it. I'm working on redoing the interior of my shop, making some changes, and here's a quick tip for you. So I don't have a huge shop space. I did before. I had a 7,000 square foot building. I gave that up. I shrunk. I went smaller in size. Of course, now I went bigger online and get to hang out with you guys more and more. But here is a tip. If you have a space that's not so big, the pieces that you fill it with, look for pieces that are more, that have height to them, that are more vertical versus longer. Because at this point, I want to make my ceilings feel taller, and I want to fill it up with all the goodness of all the different products that we offer. So I'm going to keep this hutch for that purpose for myself in my shop, and I'll show you how I make use of it. But last night, we let it dry overnight, and now I'm in today to go ahead and add a little bit of Monkey Shine, which is an all-natural wax oil polish. It is our brand, of course, of Junk Monkey, and I'm going to go ahead and add that all over this piece. And let me just put a little bit here so you can kind of maybe see the difference in what's going to happen. Can you see from back there from the camera? The moment I add the Monkey Shine, it really just brings it to life. So I'm going to go ahead and work my way through this. I'm going to add it, and then I'm going to buff it all off, and then from there we'll go ahead and get it in place. So I'll show you how that looks. But yeah, pretty darn cool. So if you're out there thinking to yourself today, man, I don't know if I have the nerve to paint my hutch like white or anything like that, you could be like me and totally paint it a fun, bold color. There's Matt with more paint. All right, I gotta go help take care of that. All right, see you guys soon. So what we do here to basically showcase all of our paint is put them on mason jars. Who out there loves mason jars? So this is shaping up pretty nice. We've got it against the wall. Today we're gonna go ahead and fill it out. Really loving that, making it part of our storage and the decor here at the Junk Monkey. So probably tomorrow's vlog, you'll go behind the scenes with me when we are gonna be cleaning the house, getting this place in a tip-top shape, and I'll give you a tour of the shop when we're done. So stay tuned for tomorrow's vlog. So this is an example. This is this color here, Crazy Eyes. Now the other color that we have that is brand new, Crazy Eyes, and don't make me blush, right? Who watched me the other night on Facebook when we painted this gorgeous little desk together? That was really cute, but we don't have a jar yet. So my mission right now is to go sit outside, enjoy a little bit of vitamin D, and get myself some pink on this jar, and to complete what we're working with our paint display today. So let's go. So I have sent Matt on a mission. He's gonna go find out for us what kind of yogurt is on today's menu. So he's taking a walk up there, and I'm gonna paint this jar with Don't Make Me Blush, baby. It's a beautiful soft pink. So let's just leave this sucker right there to dry, that old jar, and I'm gonna go inside. I'm gonna wash my brush. Yes, I wash my brushes over and over again and again and again and again and again and again and again. Yay! All right, we're getting ready to head out, but I'm gonna grab this jar real fast, put it back inside because it's already dried. So in this heat today, this really took no time. We got a call for some free furniture right here in Lincoln here, so we're gonna go take a drive and check it out and see if it will work for what I have in mind. So road trip, free furniture, heck yeah! Let's go. So we are here. I saw the furniture. I came, I saw the furniture. I love the furniture. And so now we've loaded up this giant hutch. Okay, so now the work begins. She started to paint it, stopped the project, and at this point was looking for a home for it because her husband was gonna burn it because it's been sitting around and she hasn't finished it. So, enter Sonia. We're gonna finish this up. In fact, I might get started on it today. Hey, buddy! When I get back at the shop. Oh, I thought you were gonna jump. So yeah, he's coming with us now, apparently. So anyway, this property is gorgeous. Let's go take a look real quick. It's like an old, what is it, a trough that maybe animals would have drank out of, and now it's filled with flowers. I love what she's done here. So this person today who's donated me some really nice furniture is definitely a creative as well. And you can see her touches all around here. When we first came, she was down working on, there's a few ponds down here, can you see behind me? And so she was down cleaning out the ponds. Her boys fish here, which is really cool. And look what we spy down here. It's an entire pond of lily pads, and so that beautiful pink against the green, we gotta go check it out. Makes me want to paint something pink today.
that was like quite a drive today, right? You just never know. That's why I love, you know, my life has changed so much from being a corporate girl who worked in an office all day long, and now during the day I get to be out. And like today I had to go to meet somebody, Lori, who donated some fabulous furniture to us to get painted. But then to see her property, like I have never seen a pond full of opened lotus lily pads like that before. Have you? I mean, I even seen frogs jumping on the lily pads, jumping off the side. It was so cool to be able to be out there today and see all her property, and then to see the fox. It's like, you never know. You just wake up every single day and you just never know what you're gonna see. So but now I know what I'm about to see. I see a whole lot of heaviness awaiting me in Mount. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna load this now inside into the shop, and then I'm gonna decide, will I paint today? I'm itching to paint today. Will I paint this today, or will it be a tomorrow project? We'll have to see. I'm gonna get ready to go inside and get ready for a Facebook Live. We're still in the middle of our paint challenge. This is the second last day, of course, of the 8 new colors that have been added over at our website at junkmonkeypaint.com. And so today I have to paint something, so we're gonna get this inside before the weather turns completely dark here, because it feels like it's gonna rain, and then we'll figure out what we're gonna paint. So thanks for hanging out with me today. Thank you for subscribing to our channel here. Be sure to hit the bell up here at the top so that way you never miss another adventure behind the scenes here at the Junk Monkey. You guys take care. I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye.